Daradia Pain Clinic is an excellent place to learn those who are interested in pain management. Dr. Das has led this course for 3 days, and it has been an excellent course. Everything was very well planned out. All the faculty members have been very, very helpful, and they have been, equipped with all the latest equipments, where we were able to, do various procedures in the last 3 days. We have learned a lot, and I have come all the way from the Maldives to join this course, and Dr. Das is very popular internationally now. We recognize him as a very keen tutor, very knowledgeable person. I would recommend this course for anybody who is wanting to specialize in pain management or have interest in pain. Thank you very much, and I'm Dr. Shah Mahir.